আজিকালি নাগালেণ্ডে ভেক্টৰ বৰ্ন ডিজিজ মেলেৰিয়া জাপানিজ এনসেফেলাইটিছ আৰু ডেংগি লগা কেसेस উঠি থকা নিচিনা হেল্থ আৰু ফেমিলি ৱেলফেয়াৰ লগা ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট পৰা ভেক্টৰ বৰ্ন ডিজিজেছ লগা এৱেৰনেছ দিবলৈ চুমুকেডিমা টাউন কাউন্সিল হলতে একটা প্ৰগ্ৰাম অৰ্গেনাইজ কৰিছে গোটেই ভিলেজ কাউন্সিল খান আহি কিনা এটেণ্ড কৰিছে আহিবি ডিটেইলছ চাব
members of different youth organizations, members of women organizations, and municipal council members and my staff from the medical department and everybody who is present here today. I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you to this very important advocacy meeting on prevention and control of national vector-borne diseases. As we all know, cases of JE are on the rise also, and with the onset of monsoon, other vector-borne diseases also we are expecting rise in different diseases. So we don't have any adult vaccines for prevention of JE and all, so we have just the children. So the only other alternative to prevent spread of these diseases outbreaks is community dissemination of knowledge to the community, for which we need all your support. That's why we have all of you today. I hope that what you learned today, you can take it back and spread it to your neighbors, your family members, your community, so that we can all spread public awareness and help prevention and control of outbreaks of diseases. So with these few words, I just would like to welcome all of you once again. I hope we all have a fruitful and meaningful discussion.
So yeah, malaria, only in Nagaland as a whole, we can say 2023 dosta cases prediction. Only 20 cases to Bahar outside Nagaland Jaina, Nagina, Yene Ahina, Yene diagnosed coronas day. And then even 2024 12 prediction, only 7 cases to Bahar Lagasin. Unluckily this year 2025 till Kali tak more report pado 26 malaria cases which day will be out of the 26 18 bimar so bahar jaina lagina ahan will bahar ahan yele aina malaria which will diagnose corona as dengue. As you all know, on 2023 there was an outbreak of dengue also jane. Many of us, some of you might have suffered from dengue also. So 2023, the Vishi around that speed edition. Our 2024, the 43 cases seat edition. Our India dengue cases report, the confirmed case report, 9 years ago. As it's a very sensitive issue. One dengue na rapid test, test positive rapid test dengue positive ase will one analyzer case confirm nohata to one dengue case ase ya nokoi. So rapid test kit test dengue visibility program dengue, it might be dengue ase tito one reporting program kila case stick ELISA machine confirm visibility one dengue case ase no one declared. So JE 2023 19 cases report koshe 24 14 around 1 whole year last year 14 actually until 6 months like 15 cases already reported and most of the cases are from Dimapur. Chikungunya as said, it's the same mosquito, okay? The mosquito which causes dengue, it was chikungunya, it was same mosquito transmit kore. But luckily for us, it is last year a chikungunya case report. So one mosquito one study program, just say scientists who studies mosquito, it malaria department or vector-borne department के entomological team के नाम से तो इधर कोहिमा zone like कैसे डिमापुर zone ला और मोक्शन zone so कोहिमा zone looks after कोहिमा pet kifuri so as such कितिया malaria and Japanese encephalitis any of this vector-borne disease report through this entomological team tahan jaina mosquito kan study or case study kan they come to a conclusion whether this is one local area the outbreak corona bahar na lagi dina ama ase tahan case study or mosquito what type of mosquito is there in the environment na it was in the surrounding environment and study report so now LMI distribution means we read only last year in 2024 Government of India Tehran mosquito net long-lasting insecticide treated mosquito nets can distribution. So district-wise distributed parameter capacity is like this. And as a total in Nagaland, 8,45,532 mosquito nets distribution. So vector-borne program key activities during the transmission season, especially like most likely from May, June, July, August, September, October, transmission season was really during this time. 25th April, every year, so World Malaria Day observed every day. Our either time newspaper, social media, looking at prevention work. Looking at progress towards malaria elimination because GOI, Honorable Prime Minister Kaila target by 2027, malaria should be eliminated from India. So that is why we are working towards it. Luckily in Nagaland, like 3 districts of Nagaland, Mon, Kifri, Kando, for the last 4 years, malaria cases to 9. Boy, case to report really those are important cases that means bahar manu aha kan diagnose kora hai ase to really local manu na gete local area ni infect kora hai and also like continuing on that day we have this National Dengue Day and then this year National Dengue Day check clean cover steps to defeat dengue we have one sub-district observation. And also June is anti-malaria month. So during the month of June, like all the districts, alag villages can towns can how to prevent oneself from this vector-borne diseases can advocacy program can so
So malaria to into Plasmodium parasites for phosphorus. Or we transmit product Anopheles mosquito. Rather than transmit Vermont. Vector-borne disease तो सब मच्छरों spread करे पर मच्छर भी अलग-अलग species है और अलग-अलग species of mosquitoes का अलग-अलग vector-borne disease like malaria, dengue और जो spread करे और as I keep on as I continue with my talk, I would like to request our staff to kindly like pass on the larvae of the mosquitoes and the larvae fishes that they have got. So আমি কথা কোৱা মহিলা আমি pass কৰো mosquito la bacha larva hum ne dekhe eta idea bole paro aro larvae fish in Nazi which I will be talking about in the later part of my presentation. So dengue to ito dengue virus for phosphorus aro it is transmitted to the bite of Aedes mosquitoes and Japanese encephalitis so it is caused by dengue virus and it is transmitted to the bite of Culex mosquitoes. And one important point, it is some mosquitoes called female mosquitoes as in are not just any female mosquitoes but infected female mosquitoes spread away when I take the important point on the infected Anopheles mosquitoes spreads malaria, infected Aedes mosquitoes spreads dengue, infected Culex mosquitoes spreads Japanese encephalitis. Now some common signs and symptoms of Japanese. So first malaria so आपने कितना generally पढ़ो कितना suspect पढ़ो whether a person is infected with malaria or not. It is the main signs or symptoms for generally pardon. So the common sign and symptoms of malaria includes high fever, follows a cycle of 48 hours with chills, sweating with body ache, headache and nausea. और malaria which is severe case to manu anemia भी case होने पड़े, anemia भी post होने पड़े, और organ failure भी allowed पड़े in severe cases. और malaria तो pregnant women can affects all age group, all types of people, but pregnant women are just susceptible as it malaria and it can even pose threat to the life of the pregnant mother and child. Our important fact about malaria, pijain dulu mana sih? Mohon malaria itu alak-alak sim type ase, mohon alak-alak Plasmodium parasites ase, alak-alak species ba alak-alak symptoms बीमार हुए, but mohon nalain ini जैसे शुरू one PV infection or PF malaria infection which common nan kaise Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum.
Angkan ngar kinar kana angkat pani pisi pagide masap na Culex mosquito koi halebe atena alat army jenis man thagibo filariasis la machar pisi paide dimapore filariasis la machar filaria ate idiabe hodebe na pisi paise तो Japanese encephalitis lana machar kiniga control karibo itu angan karibo he ala sore ko malaria ulai ase kole to pani kiti de pabo nati de pabo dengue laga machar to amra la pabo de pabo amra la pabo de na dengue la machar age de dengue laga machar to ido tai choto moto container overhead tank hobe syntax hobe AC de hobe freeze de hobe kote hobe alok pani lage tai abe anda tu ek hafta hi lage de tai ek hafta pura anda pura etal bolo boy kali bini one week na to min ka kan so sita chimki ki pure ek hafta de ek bar de because the life cycle is just one week not from the egg stage to adult stage anda pura etal bolo boy ek hafta hi lage to tai ek hafta bitore tai itu pura source reduction pura ana eta control measure ase source reduction ba kan kya dimapur ka dena bisi campaign pura ase ek hafta te ek par social work kori ote safa kori khali pani phela ek jun na khali 10 minutes hi lage the source reduction de Saturday te 10 minute phela na nijo la kam na pani pura phela de dengue na thaki vector na thaki dengue na thaki dengue control de pass oile medical department right na dengue laga larval stage na control privilege to na kore there is no such thing amra neta larval stage te marule Culex plana marule ta temefos provide temefos 50% July temefos 50% EC emulsified or concentrate as well 2.5 ml in 10 liter water algegan to ala de mare lebe for the time being 2-3 years within sulfur amna biological control gas instead of chemical control from chemical control we are shifting to biological control ya to mass ani ase to choto ase females kana 6 cm long males can 3 cm the maximum state the size it is very efficient asade larvivorous is very efficient in the mosquito larvae ek din te eta mass pura 80 to 100 larva ko within 24 hours itu eta ase biological control itu it is very well surviving na itu si palpa di mana survive berasa अभी हम भी तो आगे के बाद बस्ती दे निरो पड़े पेटी फ्यूज ते भी ना आते भी